Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a green and brown makeup look. It's using the ColourPop The Child eyeshadow palette. This palette is absolutely adorable. Love the color story. I think baby Grogu is so adorable. I filmed this video on May the 4th. May the Force be with you. My favorite Star Wars movie is Episode 3, Revenge of the Sith. I love that one. Happy Star Wars Day. Let's get started. The WetnWild Megalast eyeshadow primer on my eyelids, and I used the Sheglam Insta Ready face and under eye setting powder, and of course I'm using the Star Wars Mandalorian The Child eyeshadow palette from ColourPop. The first shade I am using is the lightest brown in the palette. I'm going to be taking this on a tapered blending crease style brush, and I'm really going to focus this shade in the crease. This is going to be crease slash transition shade. This is going to be perfect for fading out, blending out, and transitioning into the brow highlight. It's only a few shades darker than my skin tone. These shades apply so nicely. It's absolutely stunningly beautiful mattes in this palette. Overall, amazing eyeshadow palette. The next shade I am taking in the palette is dark brown. I'm going to be taking that on the same blending crease brush that I used in the crease. I'm going to pat and press this into the outer corner, and I will slowly bring this up into the crease, and I'm going to use my orbital bone as a guide, and same as the crease shade that I applied, I don't go very much higher than that orbital bone, and I'm just gonna go over that a few times, build it up, and then I'm going to go in with the same crease brush and blend over top of the two shades, blending them together ever so lightly on the line of the dark brown and the line of the crease shade, and they're going to blend seamlessly. Next up, I am taking the lightest shimmery green in the eyeshadow palette. I'm also going to spritz my brush with some Sheglam Sunday Picnic setting spray to wet and foil that eyeshadow. This is really amazing technique and will really make your shimmers pop. They'll look super metallic, they'll be extra pigmented, and they'll kind of look wet on the lid. So I'm going to take that on a flat shader brush, and I'm kind of slowly painting that on the lid. And I'm also, once again, going to give myself a faux cut crease. And once I have that, I'm going to go back in and blend the crease shade with the lid shade and the outer corner shade with the lid shade. Just kind of lightly going over everything and kind of patting, sweeping motions, wiping away fallout. And then I'm going to be taking the white shimmery gold shade in that palette, and I'm going to use this in my inner corner to highlight with. Once I have my inner corner highlighted on the lower lash line, I'm going to be taking this beautiful green in the bottom row. It's the second green. Absolutely stunning shades in this palette. Absolutely love it. This palette does not have a matte highlight shade, so I'm going to be going in with the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette and using the second shade in the first row on a large fluffy eyeshadow brush. I'm going to pat this under the eyebrow, and then I'm going to slowly start blending that down into the crease shade and to the transition area. And I'm going to go back in with the blending brush to blend the crease transition shade with the brow highlight, giving myself a seamless blend between the outer corner, transition shade, and brow bone highlight. Now I'm going to tightline. I'm going to use the LaColors gel eyeliner in Midnight Black. And then on the lower waterline, I'm using this Maybelline liner in Jade Olive. I'm using Rimmel's Wonder Bond mascara for the lashes. And that is the finished eyes. For the lips, I am loving this lip combination. I used the Ioni Lipliner in True Brown and this Sheglam lipstick. This is a Velvet Luster shimmer lipstick. It's a matte with a little bit of shimmer in it. It's stunningly beautiful lip combination in my opinion. I'm obsessed And that's the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, found the makeup tutorial helpful. Maybe you will try the look out for yourselves. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a playlist.